Good morning, everyone.
Morning.
Thank you all for being here today. We appreciate it for all of you that comes today. And today we're going to present our topic is abortion is a choice. Choice is freedom. Before we begin, let me introduce our group. My name is Cahaya Sakti.
My name is Dwi Nafisa. My name is Safirana Fauzia. My name is Alia Ramadhani. My name is Eka.
My name is Fikri Ahmad.
My name is Rika.
Okay, let's begin to our topic.
Introduction. In today's world, women face many different life situations that affect their physical, emotional, and financial stability.
Financial.
Financial stability. Abortion remains one of the most debated topics global, but at its core, it is about a woman's right to make decisions about her own body and future.
Future. On body and most debate on body and future.
Most debat on body
On body and future.
Okay, so you guys probably wondering why is this topic relevant today. Many women face various social, economic, and personal challenges that affect their reproductive decisions. So these challenges include pursuing education and career opportunities, financial instability and rising living costs, unplanned pregnancies, unequal access to reproductive health care and education, and last is culture and family expectation. As a result, reproductive choices are no longer simple personal decisions. They require access to reliable information, quality healthcare, and supportive policies so women can make informed decisions that are best for their health and future.
Require. Require access. Yes, next.
Real conditions faced by women. Many women dealing with pregnancy might face situations like pregnancy during school or early career stage, lack of emotional or financial support from partners or family, health risks that may affect mother or baby, and the last one is pregnancy resulting from unsafe or non-consensual circumstances. And the situation show that every case is different and personal.
Social pressure and adjustment. Women often face strong social expectations such as a woman must always continue pregnancy, cultural or religious expectation, fear of being judged include. This pressure can make decision making even more difficult for women in real life.
Next, understanding abortion as a decision. Abortion is often viewed as a personal and medical decision influenced by health conditions, mental and emotional readiness, economic capability, life goals and responsibilities. It is not a simple decision, but a deeply complex one.
Sorry, sir. Please repeat after me. Mental and emotional readiness.
Mental and emotional
Readiness.
readiness.
And but a deeply complex one.
Deeply
Complex
one.
Yeah, deeply complex one. Okay. Next.
Health and safety concern. One of the major issues is safety.
Major
Major issue is safety. Unsafe abortion practices can lead to serious health risks. And two, lack of access to proper medical care in crisis areas. And three, emotional stress and trauma may also occur. This is why medical guidance and safe healthcare systems are important.
Occur. Emotional stress and trauma may also occur.
Next.
Modern perspective on the issue. Today, global discussion focuses on women's reproductive health rights, access to safe healthcare service, education about reproductive health, and also reducing stigma and judgment. The goal is not to encourage or discourage, but to ensure safety and awareness.
Next, cultural difference. It is important to understand that one, different cultures have different value and belief. Two, ethical views and abortion vary widely. And three, this topic is still debated globally. Because of this, respectful dialogue is necessary.
Dialogue, sir. Please. Respectful dialogue.
Respectful dialogue.
Okay, the topic is still debate globally. This topic is still debate globally. Yeah, okay.
Okay, so here's the conclusion. Abortion is a complex issue involving health, ethics, social pressure, and personal circumstances. In modern society, understanding and empathy are important in discussing this topic. Every situation is unique and deserves careful consideration without judgment. The statement. So here's a statement. Unintended pregnancy is a major public health issue with significant social and economic consequences for women and society. And oh yeah. So anyone have questions for us?
Any question? Any question?
Okay, wait a minute. So, this is my opinion before you ask the question. Okay, I place here to this group 4 because they brave to what's that? To speak about a sensitive thing, yeah, tema yang sensitive thing. And if you ask me what is my standing position for this thing about abortion, I will reject it. So I am not agree with that because for me, yeah, that the future baby, it is still alive, right? Yes. They have a life. They have deserved to life. I think God maybe send him or her. I don't know. Maybe it is a destiny for them. So if you don't want a baby, it is a question for me why you make the baby, gitu ya. Jadi kalau misalnya nggak mau punya anak, kenapa bikin? But yes, that's true. If maybe there is a condition, maybe it is something sensitive with the mother's health, gitu. Jadi itu masih bisa dipertimbangkan. We can consider that. But if there is something like maybe you are not ready with a baby, gitu ya. Why you make a baby? Gitu. Kenapa bikin anak gitu? Ya. Tapi ini menarik. It is so interesting and don't judge that group. Gitu ya. Don't make a negative judgment to this group because it is their opinion. For me, my opinion because I'm very old. I'm 61 years old. Jadi usia saya 61 tahun and I have old values Jadi nilai yang ada pada saya itu nilai-nilai yang udah kuno gitu, udah lama gitu. Jadi kalau diri saya melihat begini ya. Apakah kalau misalnya ini saya punya pertanyaan ya, if you are if there's a person who is a victim of rape, tahu rape ya, pemerkosaan. If there is a victim of rape gitu, Anda adalah seorang korban pemerkosaan, kemudian you pregnant because of that rape crime, dia hamil gitu. Kalau ditanya ke saya bilang anak yang dikandung itu tetap punya hak untuk hidup. She or the baby, the future baby, still have a right for living. Jadi jangan kita tiba-tiba kita matiin dia karena ini anak dari pemerkosa. Tapi saya nggak tahu itu kan this is my old values ya. Nilai-nilai saya too konservatif gitu. Jadi saya menghargai dan saya pengen kita ada satu debat gitu. Jadi kita nggak boleh menilai sesuatu yang negatif terhadap kelompok ini. Kita hargai dia punya pendapat yang berbeda dengan saya dan mungkin juga berbeda dengan teman-teman. Tapi please feel free for discussion. Jadi jangan ada yang khawatir, termasuk yang cowok-cowok tuh yang mau tanya silakan, mau debat silakan gitu. Tapi Anda mesti siap dengan perdebatan. Please, let's begin for the question and the debate. Okay, please. You can take one group can be more than 2 questioners.
Mik
Bebas. Inilah.
miknya kasih
Cepat deh. Apa dulu? Why do you?
Nama lu siapa?
Oh, namaku Rainda Ilasum. FM-nya Three.
Sorry, what's your name, Miss?
Rainda Ilasum.
Rainda.
Yes.
From group?
3.
Yes, please. Go ahead.
Why do you believe abortion should be considered a personal decision and
alon-alon neng.
Slowly.
Yes. Why do you believe abortion should be considered a personal decision rather than just a moral issue? Udah belum?
Udah siap belum? Kenain berak.
My name is Marwa Putri Sanjaya from Group 1. Why is access to separate reproductive health care important, regardless of someone's opinion on abortion? Group 1.
Siapa lagi? Gimana sih, Cai? Udah aktif servis nih.
Mr. Paris.
My name is Paris Leo from Group 1. In your presentation, you mentioned that ethical and cultural perspective on abortion vary widely. How do you think governments can create fair abortion policies in societies with diverse religious and cultural values?
Cai.
Sorry, Ibatina. Group 3. 6.
Nggak bisa.
Sorry,
Does supporting reproductive rights mean encouraging abortion?
what? Could you repeat this?
Rights mean encouraging abortion.
Rights, yeah.
Rights mean
Oh, rights, hak.
My name is Gladys. I would like to ask your group a question. How can social pressure affect women's reproductive how can social pressure affect women's reproductive choice?
Social pressure, tekanan sosial.
Thank you.
Sorry, ladies from
Two.
Okay. No, it's okay. One small.
Banyak banget.
Some yours. It's okay. This is very interesting, right? This is very interesting. The thing. Okay, some yours.
Hiking. Sangat.
Group one.
Group 3.
Group three.
So, my name is Jos Ruben from Group 3. If we talk about the religious thing, is that legal for abortion? Because kalau misalkan kita kaitkan kan itu sangat menyimpang. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Okay. Before you answer the question, I want to ask Rayinda.
Yes.
Are you pro or contra with abortion? Contra. Marwah. Who is Marwah? Yeah. How about you? Are you pro or contra? Contra. So two of you contra. Paris or Paris?
Saya netral.
You are neutral. That's good. Hiba Tina, are you neutral? Contra. Ladies. Miss Ladies. Contra. And then how about Josh? Contra. So one from 6 persons, one neutral, and the other contra. No pro. No one's pro of this abortion. Oh, it's okay. Okay. Let's.
Kok marah katanya is okay. Maaf ya, Chay.
Emotional.
Emotional. We discuss it first. We want to discuss it first.
Jangan lama.
Diskusi dulu.
Kau pakai diskusi.
Pretty topic, sir. Okay.
You have question, right? Okay, please. Cuma 2 menit ya. 2 menit.
Lima.
Awal 3.
Ya?
Mik.
Tapi kan nantinya kalau misalnya anak ini dilahirkan dari pemerkosaan,
Iya.
dia
Punya hak hidup kan?
punya hak hidup. Cuma nanti pas dia besar, nanti dia ada kebingungan ayahnya siapa, orang tuanya siapa. Karena kan orang tuanya ini dijudge oleh masyarakat banyak.
Korban.
Saya boleh nambahin nggak?
Jadi, aku agree baby should be killed. Oh, you agree? Si isunya dibunuh aja, di aborsi, dibunuh baby.
Kontra sih, Sir.
Hah?
Kalau saya kontra.
Jadi tetap dia lahir.
Tetap dilahirkan, cuma kan nanti ke depan
Oh, ada masalah.
ya,
Dia
dia
tetap
dibuat si personal si bayinya ini.
Oke. Oh, buat dia.
Nanti bisa.
Kalau di korban gimana ya?
Misal itu kan lagi ngomongin tentang pemerkosaan ya.
Iya.
Nah, misal ini aku sebagai cewek,
Oh, cewek.
amit-amit jadi korban maksudnya. Misal ya udah aku misal saya diperkosa dan hamil.
Iya.
Dan aku bakal milih untuk di aborsi karena
Melahirkan.
enggak diaborsi.
Oh, diaborsi
Nah,
aja.
karena saya sebagai Islam, saya tahu nanti dia kan nasabnya cuma ke saya, dia nggak bisa dinikahin sama
Bapaknya.
ayahnya. Kayak misal saya diperkosa sama si Amit maksudnya sama dia sama si Amit. Sama si A, soal ini. Nah, dia kan nggak bisa untuk nikahin anak saya kalau misalnya saya lakukan. Jadi kasihan ke dianya, kayak dia kan kayak
Harus ada bapaknya kalau.
iya, nggak nasabnya nggak ke dia, jadi dia bintinya, misalnya anak saya cewek,
Iya.
bintinya itu saya, bukan yang hamilin saya itu. Kalau dari misal,
abortion.
Sebaiknya dia argusi, aborsi. Adalah. Gitu.
It's okay. But we have a different opinion ya. Kalau saya sih bilang kesian bayinya kalau itu. Tapi saya nggak tahu itu kan karena saya laki-laki gitu. I'm a man.
Saya lebih kasihannya kalau misalnya terus dari hidup sampai dia besar karena kita nggak ada yang tahu dia tumbuh dengan keadaan tanpa ayah, dia itu jadi fatherless, terus dia nggak punya kecukupan dalam diri dia gitu loh sebagai anak, jadi kayak kasihan juga sih.
Apalagi lu korban pemerkosaan cewek rata-rata kalau udah kayak gituin dia bakal trauma sama cowok kan, belum tentu si ibunya itu akan nikah lagi untuk
Dan
buat
juga
nyambungin
bisa
ayah
merawat
gitu.
anak dengan baik juga karena emosional dia juga
Beda.
nggak stabil juga.
It's okay ya, to make a different opinion with me itu oke banget. Jadi nggak masalah beda pendapat gitu. Kan saya juga sadar nilai-nilai saya udah nilai lama gitu. Old values because I'm 61 years old. Okay, please, you ready to answer?
I will answer Paris question. Government should balance respect for religious and cultural value with protection of women's health and human rights. The goal is not to save every life, but to create policies that are fair, evidence-based, and use access to safe, healthy care for everyone.
Thank you. If you don't agree, if you are not agree with them, please you can say that. Okay. Yes, and then the second one. Yes, please. Hello.
Wait.
I give you 10 minutes then for discussing. So please.
Okay. I will answer the question from Linda. Why do you believe abortion should be considered a personal decision rather than just moral issues? Because everybody pregnant is different. A woman's decision might be influenced by her health, financial situation, emotional readiness, and personal circumstances. Their factor make abortion a complex personal decision rather than simple moral issues. I will answer the question from Marwa. Question is, why is access to safe reproductive health care important regardless of someone's opinion on abortion? So the answer is, access to safe health care helps protect women's health and reduce the risk associated with unsafe medical practice. It also ensures that women receive accurate information and professional medical support.
I will answer from Gladys. How can social pressure affect women's reproductive choice? Social pressure from family, culture, religion, or society can make women feel judged or forced into certain decision. This pressure may prevent them from making the choice that is best for their own situation.
I will answer Sebastian's question. Supporting reproductive rights and encouraging abortion. Not supporting reproductive rights and ensuring that the woman have access to accurate information, health care, and the freedom to make informed decisions. It's both respecting individual circumstances, not promoting.
So I want to answer Josh's question. But please can you repeat that one more time?
The context is religious.
Yeah.
Kan kalian tahu kalau misalkan bahkan di Kristen Islam Katolik agama-agama besar kan nggak boleh ya, meskipun tadi ada kayak kaitannya sama agama gitu. Kalau misalkan dikaitkan sama trauma sama ini mungkin dibolehkan karena ada di sama apa tadi saya kurang paham. Tapi kalau misalkan kita lihat dari sudut pandang agama mereka itu nggak boleh.
Okay.
Kalau menurut kalian?
Okay. Thank you for your question. And I respect everyone's perspective too. Well, we can judge, right? We cannot judge. It's okay. It's okay. It's understandable. But I think, well, unfortunately, we can't change religion beliefs, right? Right. Change religion beliefs, like we cannot, like we can do that in religion beliefs, right? It's against them. So, well, we're talking about human rights. So I think. So I think there's.
So do you want to change your religion? No. You want to change the rule of the religion?
No, I said we cannot.
We cannot change the rule of
any religion. So, but you know, there's some changes in our world. So there's some cases like rape and all of that things, and people back then normalized that, you know, like the rape things and all that. So I think in this case we have to, like, we have people nowadays are like more woke about this case and this issue. So I don't think. I'm sorry.
It's okay.
Indonesia Indonesia campur Inggris ya Pak?
No. Indonesia juga bingung bosannya. Apa ya?
Bahasa Indonesia.
Panas dingin. Iya. Iya, tambah itu. Oke. Aduh, udah hilang ya. Oh ya.
This one?
The title, sorry.
Oh, title. Okay.
Please. Thank you so much. So, as you can see right here, abortion is a choice. So,
choice.
It's your own choice. So we just need to respect and give the opportunities to any woman in this world, so they can have their rights without being discriminate or feel judged or like dibatasin semua facilities or something like that in healthcare, because it's a choice and choice is freedom. So I think, and our opinion is, everyone everyone okay, everyone deserves the same freedom and their own choice. So if you make any choice that against any religions, I wouldn't judge you for that, or anyone cannot judge you for that. So literally any choices or any perspective or opinion, not just abortion, we just need to respect and yaudah disediain aja sekian.
So even that it's break the rules of religion, we have to respect each other for our opinion, like that.
Well, religion.
even though the religion,
Yeah, I get it. It's just hard to be processing. Okay.
the religion not support the idea.
Well, there's a lot of things that against religion nowadays. So maybe it's one of them for you guys, but for me it's freedom. You can have it, anything. So, well, it's my perspective and ours. So I'm sorry, and I respect yours too, sir.
How could you?
Well, I respect it.
No, it's okay.
Okay.
So you have answered all of them. You have answered all of the question.
Oh yeah. And this is the last one.
Who is it?
Nih, just the last one.
Oh,
The
just the last one.
Yeah.
Okay.
Conclusionnya, gue udah ambil.
Okay. Okay. So, and
Sudah.
thank you so much.
Thank you.
I'm sorry. And to conclude this, actually our presentation is apa ya? it's not told anyone to choose their own should choose their own rights or anything like that. We just want to share with you, so we have to discuss this specifically. This topic is with respect and with an open mind. So it's okay. No one's wrong in this situation.
Okay.
Thank you so
Please give applause. Claudia? Yeah, because you are a woman and girl, so please you give your, I want to know your opinion about it. Not asking it, but just your opinion about abortion. Because I know that your English is good. How about, what's your opinion? Because you are a girl and I think maybe you can what's that, have something inside for us.
I'm sorry to say, but I'm not on this one.
Oh.
But you pro or you pro with the abortion? Yes. Okay. Please, you can say that. What's your opinion about that?
You don't have to be sorry. It's your opinion.
Can I use mix between language? Can I mix?
Indo-English.
Yes, feel free to speak. You can say bahasa also mixed with
Okay, so
English.
this is regarding the mentality from the mother or the victim if she is the rape victim. I'm not sure that if she can raise her child with that state, with that
her that state of mental. She must be traumatized and maybe she cannot love her child. And that makes the child grow into into a person that hasn't received enough love from their mother or people that will judge them because that child is a child from a rapist. And that's really, when I think about that, it's very unfortunate or
But this is the case of rape crime, yeah. But how about if it is not the victim of
if that's
crime?
not the case, then kembali lagi ke alasan kenapa ibunya mau ngaborsi. Kalau misalkan ibu itu merasa nggak bisa mencintai anaknya ataupun ada alasan lain kayak dia belum siap atau kenapa menurut saya tuh hal yang wajar karena kalau misalkan dipaksakan kembali ke alasan lagi takutnya anak itu nggak dicintai secara sepenuhnya atau nggak bisa dikasih kebutuhan yang seperlunya begitu takutnya dan kembali lagi takutnya anaknya tumbuh jadi anak yang punya kondisi mental yang berbeda dari yang lain.
I translate her speech from bahasa to English. So it is back to the reason. You understand what I mean? This is back to the reason. Because if the baby was born and then maybe the mother was not devoted their love, not love, so it will be maybe something mistake on the of the babies. Yeah. So that's why Gloria with abortion. Yes, pro choice. Okay. Please applause to Gloria and I appreciate your life. Okay, so you want to post this story?
Okay, so thank you all for your thank you all for today. I really appreciate everything that's come from your mind. So we appreciate it and thank you for your questions. And
She's shaking.
Thank you. So